There you go, Lottie, you're all set.
Okay. Hello class once again, and I'm going to redo the Northwind Traders. I'm Lata Kumar, as you all know. This is Abdel Bumina, and this is Mark McDonald. And we are the proud consultants for Northwind Traders. Okay, so we'll do a brief introduction of our group. I'm the information consultant, and Abdel is our process design consultant, and Mark is definitely the team manager.
Oh yeah.
So we are very proud of our project and our little company. I'm just briefly going to tell you about the mission and the objectives. So Northwind Traders, we are very committed to helping you achieve excellence in any project. Our vision is to provide the expertise you require and the complexities of your project, whatever it demands. At any phase, we can do it. And our objectives are to manage the client and firm resources in a very cost and effective way. Also, we can guarantee you can avoid paying high fees and avoid time-consuming processes and the hiring and training process. You'll start to see the results immediately when we are working for you. So this is just a brief description of our entire process, which we did, the Access project. We provided effective process step by step and how to accomplish tasks, and we created a database to manage our clients and customers list. And then we generated a tailor-made report by creating a query to assist management and evaluation of their business structure. And then also we wrote step-by-step written procedures. So if you want to follow it at any phase, you can just refer to that to make your life easier. So now we are going to go into the actual assignments we've been doing for the last 1 month. So he's going to elaborate briefly.
Hello. What we have done is just we come to the company, we simplify the process. We create a database with queries and get detailed information to provide to the management to help them take decisions and make decisions and
Okay.
make decisions and set goals for the company to achieve. So this slide is showing us what we have in hand. So we have the product name and the description of the product, and also we provide picture of what product we have. So to make it easier for the customers to understand what the company is providing. Let's go to the next slide.
Absolutely.
The next slide is giving us a detailed report that shows the data by employee, how much they made, and what category they work on.
So we selected it by the seafood because that was part of the requirement. And then it's just, it reduces the database. So it's pretty simple. We wrote in the letter, which is coming next, how to attain that.
So we put it in clear format and nice and neat, so everyone can read it easily.
And just to let you know, we used our employee's name is Abdel, WBCC.
WBCC stands for our college radio station.
Which
we are
me
so
and Lada
proud
are
of.
currently part of the board. Just cut a little promo on it for you.
So we won't go too much into the depth because we all have done the same assignment. I know you've known what we've done. So we'll just move on to the next one. And this is a letter we wrote. It's basically a step-by-step process which we used to accomplish the task. It was written to Mr. Popolo, and it was the first homework assignment. So basically it's all about the sales of seafood and how we limited it.
So we had to make sure that whenever we create a process, we have to make sure to add steps on the procedure. So in case if we leave, somebody else can fix if there is any issue occurred after us, or if they need to make any changes. So the procedure will assist them and help them to make it quicker.
And this is the employee sales data. It's basically the next exercise we did is the mid-level 3. It was very complicated. We spent almost an hour on that. We had to do the figure 2.51, in case you guys want to refer to it, it's page 196, 197. It's the Chai and Chang, the sales by employee project. We couldn't get that, the Chai and Chang, how to get both of them into the query until our consultant, he looked it up on Google, and then we came up with the not operand to put in and to get it all together. So it was quite a challenge. I'm sure you all had a problem with that one too.
Right, you seem to be agreeing with us, buddy.
So the sales data is provide an overview to the management team to see who's doing better, and also to take decisions. What product is
Whatever product we are working for you on.
interest the customers.
And then this next one is the beverages and confections. This was a lot easier to divide it because we got the hangs of how to do the curries. And then basically it's the project where it's the mini case 3 one on page 200. And that's the file for chapter 2 MC3 traders. So we had to do 2 queries. The first one was the May 2007 orders of beverages and confections. And then that was the very smaller one because it's only for May. The second one was 2007 beverages sales by country. Again, we had a huge problem trying to select it by the country because USA kept showing up, and that was one of the fields was not required. But we had the consultant, and he figured it out. Again, Googled it, and we knocked it out. This one took us half an hour only.
I think it's 45 minutes.
Oh, I'm sorry, I miscalculated the timings.
Trader solution, this is a query. Give overview by salesperson, how much discount they give and what's the revenue and the profit the company made by each individual, each one.
So this is the one that's on page 247. It's the figure 3.26 profit by employee. It's the mid-level exercise 1. And the file was chapter 3 mid 1 trader solution. This is basically about the same one where you go to the field and then you right click it and get to the properties and then choose the currency. I think that was the last thing we added, and the formulas was pretty much given, you know, how to divide it and how to do it. I think this one was pretty easy for us. And the next one is profit margins.
This is more detailed and format report. This is what every manager wants to see, or financial consultant or analyst want to see. So it gives you more detailed information about the unit price, the product category or product name, and product cost, per unit profit, and so on.
This is very impressive because I'm very new to the computer world and I didn't know much about Access. I mean, I've taken an introductory class, but that was just showing the basics. This is very unique, and we loved the results we got. And well, now pretty much we are done with all the homework assignments. Hope you guys understood it. So in conclusion, do you want to?
Sure.
Okay.
In conclusion, in other dimensions of work we perform, our clients above both which are led by the brief to for each project with the emphasis, quality, and respect to the people, product, and those customers we serve on a day-to-day basis. Basically, we just like the company, and we just try to help out all the customers. Customer service is mostly what brings a company to the top. Customer service and customer products, quality of the products, and how we present the company affects how the customers like the products or not.
Any questions?
Next.
You guys-
I hope you guys like the presentation.